In this video, I'll guide you through the processing of shorting a stock on Robinhood, even though Robinhood doesn't currently offer traditional short selling. Instead, I'll show you alternative strategies like using inverse ETFs or put options to achieve similar results. So first, let's understand the short selling and Robinhood's limitations. So short selling basics is shorting involves borrowing a stock and selling it at its current price and repurchasing it at a lower price to make a profit. And while the Robinhood limitations, meaning Robinhood doesn't support traditional short selling but offers alternatives like put options and inverse ETFs. Now, these inverse ETFs, alternative to short selling, you can search for inverse ETFs, open the Robinhood app, and then use the search bar to find inverse ETFs like SQQQ or SH, which move opposite to the market or specific indices. So, currently, I don't have an access to the main interface of Robinhood, but with the help of Robinhood Guide, I will explain how it works and how to short a stock on Robinhood. So listen carefully as I explain. So after that, evaluate the ETF. You can review the ETF's performance and details on its profile page and understand the risk, as inverse ETFs are often leveraged and can be volatile. And after that, buy the ETF. Top trade, then buy to purchase shares of inverse ETFs, and then confirm your purchase. After that, you can enable options tradings via going to the settings in the Robinhood app and then enable options trading if you haven't already. And after that, you can use the search bar to locate the stock. Then you can tap trade, then select trade options. And then select a put option with an appropriate strike price and expiration date. Then buying a put gives you the right to sell the stock at the strike price, which can profit if the stock's price drops. Now, enter the number of contracts you want to buy and then review and submit your order. And that's it. That's how to short a stock on Robinhood using alternative methods. So I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.